hello everyone, my name is Khuzaima and I'm the co-founder of Paymo, which is Pakistan's first social banking application only for Gen Z. So the idea came, it's a really funny story. My co-founder Abdurrahman, he actually went on an exchange program to Istanbul, Turkey. Over there, his college card or his university card was used for every sort of payment, whether it's the metro station, whether it's the cafes or the hostels or anything else. So जब वो वहाँ से वापस आया तो उसने कहा कि why not do the same thing in LUMS. So that's where we started from. We started with the LUMS alumni card or your student ID card, but that was a little bit hardware intensive, तो उसकी cost ज़्यादा पड़ रही थी. So we moved to an application जब हमने कैंपस के जितने भी हमारे कैश टच पॉइंट्स उसको डिजिटाइज करने के लिए वो एप्लीकेशन बनाई. So that's where the ideation came from, and then we moved it to a mobile application and launched fully in September 2020. Funny story, I was sitting with my co-founder in his room and उसने मुझे कहा कि NICL is starting their new incubation program in Daftar Khan. So I blindly filled the Google form and applied over there. Or yeah, so one thing led to another, and I just went to give the pitch. Was then, and it was a very candid pitch. And according to me, it was more of a conversation with the people over there rather than a pitch. So that helped, and that led to us over here. And after that, I think joining NICL is a really big change when it comes to a working environment. There's a lot of networking, there's a lot of guidance, mentorship when it comes to NICL. So I think definitely that has helped, and I'm really hoping that aage as we move forward for the rest of the year, there's many more things to come. So a short message for startups willing to take the initiative is that the beginning is the hardest part, and इससे बेहतर मुझे और मेरे से बेहतर ये चीज़ और कोई नहीं जान सकता कि I was going through a lot of things when I started Paymo. मेरी पढ़ाई भी चल रही थी, academics भी थे, I was also maintaining my scholarship in LUMS, so there was a lot of things going on. But of course, I think the most important part is to take the first step, believe in your vision, believe in yourself, and if you really think that you're solving a problem for people, then it's eventually going to take off one way or another if you're solving an actual problem. So I would say if you have that vision, that drive, that passion, then please take the first step, and the rest follows itself.